The Autochartist MT4 plugin is truly revolutionary. It's the world's first market scanner in MT4 and MT5. It scans the whole market for trading opportunities and allows you to watch all the symbols and time periods from a single chart. Gone are the days of opening so many charts that you can't remember which currency you're looking at. So as you can see here, I'm on the Euro-US dollars chart. I have the main Autochartist window here, with trading opportunities for all the other symbols across multiple timeframes, which correspond to the Market Watch window here. Now let's say I want to view this trading opportunity. With just one click, it will automatically open up the correct chart, the correct time frame, the trading opportunity overlaid, the forecast region, and past opportunities illustrated by these grey lines. You also get volatility analysis here that provides guidance for setting stop-loss levels based on expected market volatility. Let's say I just want to analyze this pair. I unpick Display All Symbols, and all that appears now are current trading opportunities for this pair across multiple timeframes. And as you can see by just one click, how easy it is to go to a new timeframe chart. Awesome, right? For a more in-depth look at all the features and how to use the Autochartist plugin, click on the link that appears on your screen now.